Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa via veganchoicefoods.com family. So, as you know, guys, baby Jamesh came yesterday, and so I'm heading to the hospital in the morning time. So I'll prepare some healthy stuff for Miss Jam Tours. So what I'm doing, family, as you know, this mineral salt. I'm drinking that early in the morning with some lime right there, and I have some shilajit. I'm gonna bring some shilajit for her. I'm her smoothies. Then I'm gonna bring some fruit, a fruit bowl for Miss Jam Tours. And also, family, I'm actually making some porridge. Some amaranth porridge that I'm making right now while I head out. To the hospital. Breast milk is actually, needs to produce and need to come in high potent format and rich in so much minerals. So we have to make her all of these rich mineral foods, family. So I want to make her some amaranth porridge. This is the amaranth flour here, amaranth terere. I want to make her that porridge with some coconut milk, family. And also I want to make her some fennel seed. As you know, guys, fennel seed actually bring down breast milk, make it pour, make it overflow. So in that meantime, family, that's what I'm doing. It's the morning time. I have my baobab fruit powder there, family. If you haven't know about these mineral foods, check it out on veganchoicefoods.com. All of these things, you'll find them there. You can purchase them, your shilajit, your baobab fruit powder, your sea moss, Irish moss, your mineral salt, family. This is the salt that actually allow your body to absorb the water in your bloodstream. I notice when you drink the salt, water, it's a little bit, and some key lime in the morning, you find yourself not peeing a lot because the body is actually absorbing the water into your bloodstream, and you won't feel like thirsty every minute, family. So as you can see, guys, this is a coconut milk. I'm just to blend up this right now. So much mineral in this. And as you know, amaranth terere, it's the fine grain that comes from the callaloo. So if you don't know, now you know. Alright, family, so let me just finish up this while I run to the hospital, because I can't wait to see my baby Jamesh, family. So this is me right here fixing things in the morning. It's a morning vlog right after my baby Jamesh is in the universe. So family, let's go. Like, share up the video, tell a friend to tell a friend, visit Vegan Choice Foods to get your health up. As I said right here, family, this is my colon cleanse herbs, and I drink these herbs anytime I'm actually out of the house and I realize that I eat things that I don't want to eat and I have to eat because there's no other place to eat. I come home, I drink up this, cleanse it out of my system quick and fast. Run it out as you go to the bathroom and just poop it up. And that's it, out of your system, clog your system, stain your system. Colon cleansing herbs from veganchoicefoods.com. See it dark, see it bitter, it's good for the heart. Family, so as you can see, guys, Jamesh is so tall, it seems like he's taller than Amesh. So it's gonna be a run, it's gonna be a race. It's gonna be a race to see who is the tallest, and if the young one is taller than the big one, then it's gonna be a twin situation. Yeah, family, so we just gonna actually have to pick some clothes because the newborn clothes are very small. So, I also have to bring some clothes for Jamesh. So let's do that while I leave out. I'm leaving out now. I'm just putting on my clothes to leave out. So let's go. Like, share up the video, comment your thoughts. I'm out. I'll bring something for you, some fennel seed and some porridge and something. See if I get the 3 tomato while I'm coming. So what you say you want me to bring for him now? Because I said Jamesh is very tall.
It's not fitting the clothes.
The clothes not fitting him? Put on the camera so I can bring. What you want me to bring?
Alright, let me show you.
Are you stuck in there?
You see the far end there?
Right here?
No, that other side.
This side?
Middle.
The middle, yeah. Right there.
Okay. Alright. So lift the first one, the second one, pick that third one.
To the third one. Which is the green one there, right?
Yeah?
This one.
Yeah, pick that one that has stars. It's the ones that were from baby shop, but the big one.
Okay, and which other one?
So there's one that looks grey. I don't know whether it's from there.
This one?
Let me see it. You can lift it.
Let me lift it. I'm going for your little brother Jamesh, okay? Alright, I'm going now. I'm going. Jamesh? Where you going? Eh? Come on, Wally. Alright, Jamesh. Alright, later. Alright. Alright, make him come. Go. Bye-bye. Da. Yeah. Alright, Ramesh. I'm coming. I'm going, Ramesh. I'm going. Where you going? Eh? Alright, bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Yeah, family, so I'm gonna go out and Amish want to come with me. Bye-bye. Alright, family, let's go. Family, so I'm pull up at the tree tomato place. And you're gonna make it fresh, right?
Yes.
Fresh.
Good fresh.
So we're gonna get some tree tomato from Miss Jam Tours to build up our blood. And what you're gonna use? Cane juice?
Cane juice, yes.
Can you use water only?
No water.
You cannot mix it with water. I want it with water, not cane juice.
Okay.
I'm gonna go and get my own water and come back.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get my own water and come back with it. Alright, for you to use. Yeah, family. So I never really want to get no cane juice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go home for some water. I even forget the water for Miss Jam Tours anyways. So I really have to go back home anyways. So let me go and get the water and actually come back and have them make the tree tomato with the water, family. So you know what I mean, let's go collect the water. We have some real spring water from the ground, you know what I mean. You know, as you know, she just gave birth, so we don't really want nothing, you know what I mean. The most important thing right now is to feed her right. So the breast milk that Jamesh getting will be potent and rich in so much minerals and all of those little whatever they want to do. Fight it off with food. Food is the medicine and medicine is the food, family. Vegan choice foods that calm. No matter when a man give you, once you start eating the right food, just flush it out of your system and you get tap back into your consciousness and tap back into everything, family. So we have to make sure that the food is up and everything is fresh from nature, from God. So if you don't check out vegan choice food yet, family, you need to check it out and you need to actually get your cleanse, get your detox, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Trust me, you will understand and thank me later, 5, 6, 10 years, or even 30 days after, you will thank me later. Because trust me, if you've been feeling not so good and not so well and sick after and being sick, then the answer is a cleanse and detox. Everything starts within the gut. Your colon could be dirty and need cleaning. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa, family. Continue watching this vlog. This is a 24 hours vlog. What a Jamaican dad did after his wife gave birth in Kenya. What I did 24 hours after. This is what I'm doing. I'm sharing it with you. Family, so I'm back with the water, real spring water. One of this is fine, right?
Yeah.
How much you gonna charge me now that is my own water? I'm not using your thing.
We'll negotiate.
Like 200 for one, I'll take 3. If you give me one for 200, I'll take 3.
No, that's not possible.
How much is possible? Now, so you tell me that you're gonna take only 50. You're not using your cane juice, you're using my water. Come on now.
I would have used less sugar cane.
No, I don't want a sugar cane. I don't want a sugar cane.
I'm saying in case I would have used sugar cane,
Uh-huh.
I would have used a lot.
Yeah, use a lot. You charge me 400. That's a regular price. So you cannot. Yeah?
The 350 is good for this.
It can't be 350, man, for one. So I'll take 2 for 800. I know you're giving me 2 for 700. So I'm taking 3. I give you 900 for 3. Oh, that don't make no sense. Because you're not using your something there, you're not using no lime, you're not using no ginger. It's just water and 3 tomato. And it's my water.
There's labor, there's electricity.
Yeah, but you know what I mean? Unless they give you for 300, I give you 900 for 3. How much? 900. 900. Because I still have to give you another bottle of water. So this will make 1, right? This will make 1. 2. Alright family, so it's as you can see the 3 tomato, real tomato. Nice sieve. Alright, give me the 3 for 1,000, right? So I'll give you another bottle of water, right? Yeah. Alright. I'll give you another bottle of water, family. So we get 3 for 1,000. This jam tours. Yeah, family, so that's the 3 tomato right there. 3 tomato with spring water from Miss Jam Tours. From the tree into the bottle. So we get 3 bottles for 1,000. And the leftovers go in that bottle there. Yeah. Yeah, family, like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know if you want to actually grow a healthy baby. This is how you have to treat the mother while they're breastfeeding. So let's do this. So let's go to the hospital now. Yeah, brother, respect and thanks.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man. Yeah, family. So I'm actually at the hospital. I'm at the parking lot. No parking. I have to park all the way down there. I have to park all the way down there for the parking. So that's the hospital, family. So I'm going to see my baby Jamesh now. Going to see my baby Jamesh. Baby Jamesh. Yeah, family, so I'm at the hospital with Miss Jam Tours at the moment. Just arrived. So you want to breastfeed, you say?
Yeah, because it was a bit uncomfortable.
As at the time come, I will give you some.
So I checked on him and he had
I'll give you some of this tea.
he had
It's
peed.
fennel seed. Yeah?
He had peed.
Yeah, peed.
Like he needed to be changed.
Jam, my jam. My little jam. Right, so I'm gonna give you some fennel seed. Tea sweet.
Okay.
Fennel seed, fam. Fennel seed. So what did you sleep last night?
Sleep.
Slept well?
Yeah, but waking up and sleeping and waking up and sleeping, but he tried.
I tried. Some 3 tomato there.
What of you?
Well, I drink some. I eat hot. Okay. It's hot.
Hi.
just
But
sip
it's
it.
nice. It's nice because
Just sip it a little.
yeah.
Spill. Back. So you're walking out. Yeah, I'm use the thing that they have there for you.
It's nice that I used it. Let me show you.
And we get it fired then? You know, better. Better.
I push this here so that you don't fall.
This is what they bring for your oatmeal. This is it, fam. This is it. put around the baby mother like this. You drop him in it. Yeah. Alright.
I'm uncomfortable, isn't it?
Yeah, uncomfortable?
It's because of the chair.
Okay.
And
Let me try with the pillow.
I'll sit at this. Let me show you how I did it in the morning.
You just eating the food. You might want me to fire.
You can.
You can bring it in the kitchen.
Until you woke up.
Alright, so you want need some sugar jet for your minute and just drink this.
Should I get his food and I'm breastfeeding?
Just drink it. You need a lot of iron in your body right now. What it is?
Funny, like it has salt.
When I was making it, it dropping in. I will take it out fast. Yeah, family, that Miss Jam Tours. They're breastfeeding. Yeah. Alright, yeah. It's alright, you need the fluids and stuff. You drink the warm tea now. Okay, finish up this. Yeah, family. So, Miss Jam Tours. You slept well last night?
No, but my hands look swollen. I don't know why.
Yeah.
They look fat from here.
Yeah, looks so little.
But I'm alright.
You alright?
At least my leg is trying to move small.
Yeah. Okay. Also brought some fruits for you and stuff.
Thank you.
Then bring breakfast for you already?
Yeah, they brought breakfast. I ate it like
Eat
man's
everything.
business.
Yeah.
They brought me this thing. I was that
Ain't that tea?
halfway full.
We can just drink this tea instead, so we just drink it.
Yeah, I'll drink everything. Besides, I'm
This is
fast.
the water that they bring for you.
Yeah, it's the water that was in the
I have
fridge.
water in the car, I might have to go for it, I forget.
Sorry, so cook it.
Alright family, this Miss Jam Tour, she's okay and fine. And we just kinda actually, you know what I mean?
Jamie, she's listening to you like, what are you saying? She's like, you see the ear, normal like, rolling your eyes.
Yeah. Alright family, let's go. Like, share and comment on the video and let us know your thoughts. This is a tree tomato. Yeah, so can I drink this a lot then?
Boo, don't mess up my list.
It's spilling?
Yeah, just a little.
Yeah, alright, so, alright family, let's go. Yeah family, so Miss Jam Tours get her lunch. This is what kind of soup, sweetie?
So that's all that for you.
I don't want to order for you, it's some of the soup. It's nice soup. Yeah, so Miss Jam Tours have our chapati. What's this? Chapati, vegetable, and then this is some soup, and this is soup, pumpkin squash soup. She have a little fruits. Yes, family, that's Miss Jam Tours, and it's the second day. So, sweetie, you sure you can go home tomorrow, sweetie?
My
First day. It's not even 24 hours yet, because it's not 1 yet. Not even. So, sweetie, you sure you can go home when? I don't think you can send you home tomorrow. What do you think? You like it's too soon? Although you're getting a lot of strength now still. Strength is coming back, not true? Okay. What you want here, so now? Want the soup first? Maybe, okay. Let's put it there. You want the soup first, right? Alright, this one I eat with the chapati. This is butter squash soup. Alright, so I'm gonna give you the soup, butter squash soup. Alright family, let Miss Jam Tours enjoy. Yeah, this. Okay, you eat it. You know the plant to get some watermelon juice. Somebody calling Jam Tours. Yo! Miss Jam Tours is complaining, what is this type of food? What kind of food you like? You want ugali with greens.
And you just delivered your food like what you forgot for me yesterday.
Right?
See how I finished the whole food.
Yeah. Well, I'll call our Jamaican sister and ask her what she's cooking. And I'll pick it and bring it for you. Maybe you can message her and see.
Oh, I'll need to go.
Yeah. But you have 3 tomatoes here, so you need to drink it.
Nilikuja tu hivyo nikikohoa. I don't know why I'm coughing.
Yeah, Kirk. Alright, family. Hope you like this vlog. Share and comment. Let us know your thoughts. I'm actually just leaving the hospital right now. And I just want to end this vlog right here. So I'm ending this vlog. This is the hospital, family. It's the view outside. And I'm going down in the elevator right now. Going down in the elevator, down to ground floor. Ground floor while we go. Yeah, family, so like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts about this safe delivery. And if you come into Kenya, you want a safe delivery like this, we approve and stamp the Alkaline University Hospital, family. So this is Jam Tours from Jam Tours Africa. We are signing out. I'm going to ground.